Before pouring concrete, slab checking is one of the most critical steps in construction. A small mistake here lead to cracks, leakage, and even a structural failure later. Hey friends, welcome back to Civil Engineering Mastery. In this video, let's quickly go through a professional checklist you must follow on site before slab concreting. Start with the formwork. Ensure all shuttering joints are tight with no gaps. Supports are vertical and properly braced. And camber is provided for long spans. Apply shuttering oil to avoid sticking of concrete and always check the staging for stability. So overall, check for no gaps, stable props, camber and oil applied. Next comes reinforcement checking. Verify bar diameter, spacing and bends as per drawings. Ensure lap length is correct and staggered. Place cover blocks, never use stones or bricks. And keep bars free from rust and dirt. Also, don't forget extra bars at supports and openings. So in reinforcement, we need to check bar spacing and diameter as per drawing, lap length is correct and staggered, cover blocks and rust-free steel. Next, check all the electrical conduits, plumbing, sleeves and openings are fixed before the concrete pour. Avoid cutting reinforcement without engineer's approval. Overall, we need to check the electrical conduits are placed, plumbing sleeves are fixed, inset for services provided, and no cutting bars without approval. Confirm slab thickness using depth markers and verify levels with a leveling instrument or laser. Ensure beam top and slab shuttering levels match the drawing. So overall need to check the slab thickness mark, level check with instrument, beam and slab alignment. If the slab is cantilever, then we have to make sure that development length should be 1.5 times the span of the cantilever slab. And if we have an inverted beam or drop beam, we need to make sure the connection between the slab and beam should be proper. So need to check the cantilever slab development length if beam is inverted beam or drop beam. If we have any sunk slab, we need to make sure they are in a correct location as per the drawing. Provide safe access and platform for workers. Check that side formwork is high enough to avoid overflow. Before pouring, sprinkle the shuttering with water lightly to prevent absorption. Finally, get the engineer's inspection and sign off with photographic records. So overall, we need to check the safety access, engineer's approval and photographic record. By following this checklist, you ensure quality, safety and durability of your slab. Remember, good preparation always leads to stronger structures. By completing all these checklists, now we are good to go with slab concrete. If you found this useful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe the channel for more civil engineering videos. Thank you for watching.